Determine the equation of a straight line that cuts off an intercept of 4 units in the negative direction of the y-axis and forms an angle of 15 degrees with the positive direction of the x-axis. Okay, so let's begin. So first what we'll do, we'll try to understand the problem graphically. So here we have the coordinate axis with the x and the y-axis. It's given here that the line is having an intercept of 4 units in the negative direction. Here, above the x-axis, the y-axis is going along the positive direction. And below the x-axis, it's going in the negative direction. And whenever we say that a straight line is getting an intercept of 4 units in the negative direction of the y-axis, it simply means that the line is going to intersect the y-axis, which is going along the negative direction. That means it is going to cut the y-axis below the x-axis. The line is going to cut off the y-axis at the point 0, -4. And this line is going to pass through this particular point, and also it's going to make an angle with the x-axis. It's given here that it's going to make an angle of 15 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. So let's try to sketch the line. So the line is making an angle of 15 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. So what we'll do, we'll consider the angle to be positive 15 degrees, and that means that it's measured in the anti-clockwise fashion. In order to find out the equation of this line, we're going to use the slope-intercept form. So the slope-intercept form is given by y equals to m times x plus c. So here m will be referred to as the slope of the line. C is going to be the y-intercept of that particular line. Okay, so let's first find out the y-intercept. So here it's already given. It's given here that the y-intercept c that has a value of -4. C is the distance of the point A cut off by the line on the y-axis. Now we also need another information, which is the slope of that particular line. Now slope is not given to us. However, we can easily find out the slope. All we have to do is take the tangent of that particular angle, or the tangent of that angle 15 degrees, and we can find out the slope of the line. Okay, now we'll need to find out the value of tangent of 15 degrees. Now tangent of 15 degrees, we don't have a standard value. However, we can write for the 15 degrees as 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Now, this is the tangent of a compound angle, which is the difference of two angles, 45 and 30. What we can do, we can expand this to get tangent of 45 degrees minus tangent of 30 degrees divided by 1 plus tangent of 45 degrees times tangent of 30 degrees. Now, we know tangent of 45 and tangent of 30, these are standard trig values. The tangent of 45 degrees, that's +1. Then we have tangent of 30 degrees, which is 1 over square root of 3 divided by 1 plus, so here we have tangent of 45, that's simply going to be 1. We have 1 times tangent of 30, which is 1 over square root of 3. Or simply put, we have square root of 3 minus 1 divided by square root of 3 plus 1. This is going to be the value of tangent of 15 degrees. Now tangent of any angle is nothing but the slope of that particular line. So now we have the value of the slope, and we also have the y-intercept. We can substitute this value into our slope-intercept form of the line, and that's going to give us the equation of the line. Thus the equation will be the equation of the straight line. So that's going to be y equals to m is the slope, square root of 3 minus 1 divided by square root of 3 plus 1 times x plus the y-intercept, which is c. So c value is -4. So this is going to be the equation of the straight line, which has an y-intercept of 4 in the negative direction of y-axis and makes an angle of 15 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis.